What the? I'm gonna turn that down, but we are back on the Central Iowa the Central Iowa Farm Series with major soybean harvest, and hopping up here into the cab of the combine for first person. As you can see, we're about done with field. What field are we in? Field 6, 10.6 acres. Hold on, let's check the crop type. Whoa, no, not growth. So, field 19's beans. Field 5 is beans. Field 4 is beans. And field 19 we still have yet to harvest. So, just sit back. I might want to turn my face cam on if this is a live stream. So, just sit back and enjoy the episode. Oh, I'm in the grain cart, not the tractor, or semi. So, here's our planter tractor, disc, truck. Here we go, grain cart. So, we got Raiden in the combine over there. You can't see him from where we're at because... And I will probably try to run along with... So, I do have to move everything to field 19. So, that'll be another part of today's episode. Oh, there's Raiden over there. There he is. There's my boy. Good job, Raiden. You got this, bud. Keep going. Raiden, you on the CB there, bud? You're looking good over there on that final row. How full are you? Okay, approximately 89, approximately almost 50% full. Copy. I'll meet you over there here in a second. I'm gonna tab over to Raiden real quick and see how he's doing actually. Oh, he wasn't kidding when he said 80%, but good. This field done. Field, okay, heat Raiden, you're good, you're done. Stop. Now, let's just take this guy over to the truck, and then put the, header on the header trailer, because I'm not going to drive this down the road with the header on it. Oh wait, never mind, we don't need to put it on the header trailer because the field that we need to harvest next is literally right here. So we're just going to dive right in right here, let Raiden do his thing. Brake. AI. Go Raiden. So we'll let Raiden take over there. We'll tab to... Wait. I think we're already at the right field. No, we're not. But we need to get everything over there. So let's get the fuel truck over to the field. Get him moved. Yeah, we're kind of just moving equipment around as well as harvesting. So we gotta get the fuel trailer to the field in case, he runs out of fuel. Which, honestly, I'm gonna park the fuel trailer. All trucks are parked over here on this far side of the road. Just for the sake of not... Oh man, he's almost full. We gotta get not you. You, yes. We gotta get... Okay, that cornfield needs to be dealt with. So now we just gotta move the header trailer. Raiden, you on the CB there, bud? I'm in the truck. I'm in the F-250 bringing the... I'm not in the tractor right now. I'm in the F-250 bringing the header trailer over to the field. Break. How close are we? Okay, you need to back up. Like right there. Now let's get over to the to the gravity wagon. So it's still November. Raiden, I'm on my way. Where are you at in the field? No, do not out into the field until we find where he's at. Because then... Wait, is he even full? Not quite, but I'll have to catch him on a headland pass. Well, yeah, we gotta get bean harvest done, and it's almost December. Don't mind the fact that there is still corn. But, yeah, Raiden, you're almost there, bud. You might end up getting... Hold on, let's get back to the... Yes. So, alright, Raiden, we're almost to you, bud. Alright, a copy, you're over there and almost full. I'm gonna swing around to you. Wait, he's on the other side. Yeah, I can cut through the crop. Am I even in the right field? Yes, we are. Wait, no, we're not. We're in a completely different field. Well, that means we gotta move equipment again. Copy, Raiden. I'm almost to you. I'm just cutting through the crop to get to you, so we got Raiden running combine. Well, he's not full just yet, but I want to try to catch him before he makes another turn. Dang it. Well, actually, yeah, we'll just park right here for now. And tab to him. Well, yeah, it's gonna mark the combine full right here soon. But you can see that I'm over, well, I'm in the combine right now with Raiden, but yeah, we're gonna end up putting this into storage. Well, yeah, I'm actually gonna hope that we can get a bigger bean head. Well, so we're just gonna sit in the wagon and wait with the wagon and wait. Raiden, you got a copy on me, bud? You on the CB there? Alright, I'm gonna swing around to you and see if we can unload on the go, if I can get over there before you get full. Or 100% full, but, so just hold in there. Never mind, I copy that you're full. So, we just gotta get over to the, to the semi with the wagon. And then go put this in storage. And we'll do I want to try to get another. I want to do a grain train, but all right, I copy, Raiden. I am coming upon you on the left side. You can unfold your auger right about now. And oh. Yeah, I'll pull around and get... So now we're unloading in the grain cart or gravity wagon. Well, yeah, it's gonna end up... This load is gonna end up filling the gravity wagon to the point. Yeah... Full, how much is still in the combine? Well, no, we just gotta take this to the, well, yeah, to the farm. So, yeah, we can just take the road back and run 20 mile an hour. But just so you guys are aware, with how things are going on this farm, the next series for American farming will be considered an off-road series. if I get enough money for all of that, which I hope I do. Okay, we're coming up on our stop. So let's unload into the Alright, hold on, let's go. No, wait, let's pull forward just right there. Bin 1. Well, yeah, we're unloading into bin 1. Because I want to try and get the most bushels into bin 1. Then, once we... Okay, let's check storage. Well, no. Farm 1, 4,657 bushels. Now we just gotta get back out to the field. Well, yep, and then we'll see about investing into a couple more gravity. Hold on, let's just check our stuff real quick. Dealership. Gravity wagon. Darn it. Enough. Well, it'll be a while before. Well, with what I want to do, yeah, it'll be a while before we can actually, like, invest into one of those. But for now, one gravity wagon is, one gravity wagon is plenty. Even though prices are going to be at their peak in December. So where's the combine at? I think I'm in the right field, but I don't know. So my goal is to get all the rest of the fields harvested. We'll ride with the combine for a while. Well, once we get him unloaded, we will switch. Well, not okay, we're over into this field. I need to go over one more. We will not like switch vehicles, but we'll I'll get parked up and then we will brake. No, pull forward just a little bit, brake. No, wait, let's try and run with the comp. Well, yeah, darn it. Well, yeah, I said we were just gonna park up. So yeah, let's just park up right there. So, okay, maybe not like on the side of a hill. Let's park up like straight, like right there. So it looks better. So let's go ahead and pull up the map here in the tractor. So we have to harvest field 4. What? Oh, we're right there. What field are we even harvesting? Plots. Field 4 we're harvesting right now. We have to harvest 5 and then 19. And then I'm just gonna cultivate field 21. We'll ride with Raiden for a little bit. Give you guys some harvesting footage. Actually, no, we're not gonna ride with them. I'll give you guys drone footage from the tractor. So, wait, can it go any smaller? Well, so yeah, there's decent drone footage of Raiden doing harvest. And yep. He's a great combine operator. Because the field that we are doing it with field 4, it's getting done. To an amazing point. Okay, now we made it back down to another. Well, yeah, I think we did the first round of the headland passes. But yeah, we still have a lot more. Dang it, it's December. Well, at least wait, we might be able to sneak away and go sell some. Let's try that. So we're gonna try something here. Head back to our bin. And then bring a load to the co-op. And sell some beans. With it being December, we can sell beans at peak price. So it's December, and we're harvesting in December, so here, I'll look. I'll show you guys. Market. Well, yeah, we're at the peak price. For soybeans. And it'll mean a full wagon load will get us, I don't know how much money. But at least we won't be down in the hole at $7,000 anymore. We'll be at least up there. So let's get back to the farm here. Now, since this is a roleplay series, I will actually get out of the tractor and walk up there and talk to the people inside. Let's slow it down. So let's go third person. Break. Go. So, yeah, we're getting filled with soybeans. Which will, wait, we're full already, or are we out of beans? Well, no, we still have 4, so we're full of soybeans. Now, let's head to the co-op with a full load in our wagon. Well, yeah, so once we get to the co-op, actually, well, yeah, we're not actually going to get out and do it, because it's not necessarily a roleplay series unless you guys would like it to be. Ooh, yeah, comment down below if you guys would like this, to me to turn this series into a roleplay series. Because if you'd like me to, I can, but yeah, I gotta get that field out of, I gotta get that. I am not, wait, actually, we don't need our camera on for this. So, yeah, it's not a live stream, it'll probably be an hour-long episode. I still have to figure out how to work the live streams on my thing. But so we're here at the co-op. I think we pull in. Oh yeah, it's over here. So let's make some money here. All right. Now we're yep. Yay, we made. Well, 16. We went from 7,000 to 16,000. That quick. So, well, I'm not gonna empty the thing, so we're just gonna go park back up at the field. And then wait to be loaded again. Right there. Well, yeah, starting rows. For this field, yeah, now, like, we've already sold 1 round of beans. But now, it's like, I mean, it'll be a while before he's actually full again. I mean, we could necessarily, like, continue to sell the beans. Well, yeah, we got all day to sell beans. So, yeah. But, yeah, let's keep doing that. Let's just keep on running loads to the, from the farm to the co-op. Empty out this year's, beans and get them sold, and then we can at least put money towards our upgrading to a couple more gravity wagons. But yeah, squad, Grant, you are the best. This game is top one of my all-time favorites. This and FS23. 5%. Is it even charging? Charging. How much time is it still charging? 6 hours? Well, yeah, we're at 5. So, yeah, we're back at the farm. Pull on in here. And then get another load of soybeans. Now we're getting loaded again. After we get this load, let's check storage. Dang it, we still have a lot of bushels left to sell. That I kind of wish we could just sell right in 1 wagon load, but we can't. And that's why I wish we had 2 wagons. But I mean, at least running the wagons back and forth, that is better than sitting in a combine the whole time. I mean, Raiden can do that, and I can make this journey and talk to you guys. But, yeah. Can you guys hear the game volume okay? But, I don't know how much money we're gonna get out of what all we're selling, because we still have all the beans in that field, and then 61 back behind our farm. So I don't know how much money we're gonna get all in all, but I know we're getting some. We're gonna get some off of this next load. So we're at the co-op. Pulling into the in here, break. Now we're selling more beans. Hey, we're at 20,000, 22, 23, 24. Well, yeah, 26,000. So now let's make our second trip back home, or our third trip back home. once we get back home, we will, so let me, check in on the combine. Well, yeah, it'll be a while before he even gets full. I'll let you guys watch a couple more rows of harvest. And then we will move on to the next round of beans. Well, yeah, now my goal is to have 2 combines. But then whatever room that's not left on the other field, or at the one farm, I always have at least another farm to store my stuff at. So, yeah, there's never not gonna be a place to not store. Dang it, it's still at 5. It didn't go up or down. So, yeah, once he gets done with this row, then we'll switch gears back to selling. Raiden, you're doing an amazing job, pal. I'm currently watching you from the drone. Alright, back to the grain cart. Or gravity wagon, because we got more to sell and make more money. So, to be honest with you guys, I really don't think we'll be able to get all this harvested in one video. That's less than an hour, so we're just gonna have to deal with an hour-long video sequence. So, I know. Ooh. Comment down below if I can get my channel to do live streams. What do you want me to live stream? This, the racing game that I've got, or, well, those are the only 2 games that I've got. Which one? Or which one first, I should say. And let's try to get this video up to, say, 100,000 likes. Let's try to get this video at least to 10 likes. So I want to try, and let's try to, and everybody subscribe, because I want to try to get to, my goal is to reach 100,000 public subscribers by, November of next year. Alright, next. Dang it. Well, next round of, alright, let's see how much will be left once we get, alright, let's see. Well, darn it. Still 3,000 bushels left. But, hey, at least yeah, we're on our next load of beans that we're taking to sell. Yeah. Well, yeah, I'm trying to get everything out before January, because December is the peak price for soybeans, and I want to try to have everything done and harvested and sold before January anyway, because that just looks weird. We're already cutting it and harvesting in December, so in the winter, but it's fine. Now, if we run out of fuel, at least we have our fuel trailer. I don't have to sell the tractor. But I know once we get enough money from all these beans, then we will sell, because all our old equipment get all new equipment. So, Jansen. Right, now let's sell everything. Yay, we're at 30,000. So, wait, how much? much money is how much money is, oh, wrong button. How much money is another Brent gravity wagon? 30. Well, yeah, we're not gonna buy them yet. I wanna try and get all the beans out of, well, yeah, out of storage first, and then worry about buying more gravity wagons. But yeah, well, yeah, it's gonna be kind of hard. Because, yeah, you gotta consider, like, trying to get all the crops out of the ground as well. This is probably, like, the third trip I made down this road from the field to the co-op to the farm. I've gone 3 trips back and forth. But well, at least it's better than riding in a musty old combine all day. So we are almost home again to get another round of beans out of the storage, because I'm trying to empty storage for next year. So let's go fill the wagon. Hold on, I'm gonna watch, like, you guys will get to watch. Well, yay, we're at 2,000 bushels now, so. Well, we're starting now to kind of lose the bushels, but we're selling them in December, so yeah, at least we're getting a good profit off of what we sell. So, ignore the fact that, that I took that turn hard. Just don't even watch that part. I might edit that out. I don't know. But oh, why am I not in the combine running? Because I got Raiden in the combine. One of the best combine operators we've got on the farm. Now, Gage, and all. We fired Harry. Harry got fired. But I plan to buy him all trucks once I get enough money. Right now I got my truck and Raiden. Well, Raiden's the only one that has a truck on the farm so far. His is the Dodge, mine's the Ford. And Gage just has to ride. Everybody else has to ride with Raiden to work, so I'm gonna buy everybody else a truck, so they at least have a way to get to work once I get enough money from selling the beans. Well, I mean, Gage wants a Chevy. No, it's Gus. Gus wants a Chevy. So we are selling. Well, yeah, selling the crops. We're at $45,000 now. And we still have more beans to sell. That's the bad thing. There is still a lot of beans to sell and harvest. Speaking of harvest, well, yeah, so I'll let you guys watch another couple rows with Raiden, and then we will move on down to the next field if we're able to get done harvesting this field. But yeah, I'm just gonna sell this one directly to the well, yeah, this one I'll just probably sell direct because prices are right there, as high as they'll ever be for the fall, but in this year in 2024, but 2024 wheat harvest, folks. So I'll let you watch this row and then one more row with Raiden, and then we'll switch back to the tractor and continue our selling of beans. But yeah, we still have a lot of beans left to harvest. So yeah, good. Meow. Good work, Raiden. You're actually earning your pay this time, even though the game won't let me pay you. But you're earning your pay. So we'll let you watch one more row, and then we gotta switch back to the tractor before it hits January, if I don't want to lose the peak price. Well, we might just watch halfway down because, yeah, we'll go halfway because went right about there. So yeah, we gotta get back on the road of selling crop. So yeah, now this video is going well over into an hour long. Well, actually, I might just do it in 2 parts. So this will be the end of part 1. Stop reading right there. That'll be the end of part 1. Alright, folks. Peace. This will be the end of part 1. We'll do part 2 later.